In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So what you want to do is come across to roblox.com, and first of all you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Next, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to bring up a drop down menu. From here, go ahead and click onto your settings. And the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't yet, is go ahead and verify your email address. So if you haven't done that yet, you want to do that before you can actually change your username. Next, come back to the settings, and next to your username up here, you're going to see a little pencil icon. So you want to click onto this to change your username. And as you can see, to change it, you actually need 1000 Robux. So at this point, if you have an available balance, you're going to be able to do that. If not, go ahead and click the buy button, and that's going to take you across to the page where you can buy Robux, enough Robux, 1000 Robux, to go ahead and change your username. Unfortunately, at the moment, there is no way to change it for free. However, if this does happen in the future, I will post out an updated tutorial. So I hope this quick tutorial helped out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.